Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. I just wanna try one more thing because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and we'll see that this feature works with the glasses. So as we can see, there is no problem to unlock the device also with the glasses. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the pin code or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.